bike is all done. This was utilizing our brand new DIY weld it yourself frame kit. These are going to be available on our website, tgbshop.net. These are made for the at-home guys that want to weld, want to be able to make their own piece of art. We've utilized our new piece of machinery, the Dragon CNC tube plasma. You don't have to have a bender at home. The pieces come pre-cut, so all you have to do is just bend them right up and then weld the frame together. The bike's all good to go, it's all put together. Now it's time to rip it.
Awesome job. Freaking rips. This is like the best one yet.
Really?
That wheelie bar is freaking perfect. Well, Dave usually jacks everything up nice we have, so wouldn't be surprised if he cartwheels this one too.
Have you ever rode one?
Give it a try, man.
You built this one. I mean, you built a bunch of them.
I don't know. I feel like one of those people that just like I just touch them out around.
You just built that. You know, a stretch can fit on one of these. He's like what, 6'7"?
Yeah.